Hi guys, let me quickly show us how to fix a zipper to a blouse with a manual machine without using a zipper foot. First, you're going to get a zipper that matches the color of your fabric. After that, you're going to measure the zipper allowance. For this one, I'm going to be using 1.25 as my zipper allowance. You measure and mark from the beginning to the end of the top, just like you see me doing. You mark on the first side and also on the other side of the blouse. After marking the zipper allowance, you're going to come with your zipper like this. Then you're going to be facing the right side of the zipper on the right side of the blouse. You start from the hem of the blouse like so, and you place the end of the zipper on the hem of the blouse, exactly on the allowance line that you mark. Then you are going to pin it down, just like you see me doing. Mind you, when you are placing the zipper, one side of the zipper has to be out like this, depending on the side you are starting from. You are going to align the zipper teeth with the line that you mark on your fabric or on your blouse, just like you see me doing. Because the zipper allowance line is not going to be a straight line, you need to pin it in place from the hem of the blouse to the top. The reason why you are starting from the hem is because the zipper might be longer, just like this one, so you do the finishing at the top. Okay, and after pinning it down, you are going to go ahead and reconfirm the measurement again, okay, just to be sure. Then after that, you are going to sew from the top to the down. As you are sewing, you keep removing the pin, and at the same time you can leave the pin there depending on the type of pin you're using. When you are sewing, you are going to sew very close to the teeth of the zip. Do not sew on the teeth, just very close by the side. So after you are done, this is what it's going to look like. This other side of the zip will be attached to the other side of the blouse. Okay, so and as you can see the wrong side, this is what it's going to look like. So the other side of the zipper is going to be placed on the other side of the bodice like this. So you're going to go ahead and measure and mark the zipper allowance on the other side exactly the way you did for the first side. So I've done that, and now I'm going to place the other side of the zipper exactly on that line. Okay, the edge of the teeth of the zip, not the edge of the zipper. You will place the teeth of the zip very close to the line, exactly on the line rather. Okay, so you're going to place it on the line just the way I'm doing. You're going to place it and you're going to pin it in place. So I already pin it in place, as you can see. Then I'm going to sew it exactly. So when you are sewing, the sewing has to be very close to the teeth of the zip. Okay, it should not be exactly on the zip, because if you sew on the teeth of the zip, number one, you might spot the zip, and at the same time you will not be able to open up the zip. All right, so now I'm done with it. I'm just trying to confirm. After that, you turn to the right side. So this is what you should have, okay, by the time you're done. So the next thing now is to cut off the excesses at the top. This is the reason why you need to start from the hem, so that it will be easier for you to remove the zipper. Okay, so you cut off the excess. You remain about 1 inch. Okay, make sure it is up to 1 inch. Then you're going to flip in the remaining part of the zip like this. After flipping it in, you will now fold the zipper allowance. Do you see the way I do it? Then you're going to stitch on this part. The sewing is going to be about ½ inch long. You backstitch very well so as to secure that part. Once you are done, this is what it's going to look like. This is the wrong side and here is the right side. Okay, then on the other side, you are going to repeat the same process. You fold in the excesses like this. You fold in the zipper allowance, then you stitch it. After you are done with the upper part, you are going to do the down part. Okay, so before you do the down part, you need to remove the zipper and you adjust the teeth of the zip upward. Now this edge here, you are going to stitch it down the way you stitch the upper part on both sides, so that you secure that part as well. You might not see the thread, you might not see the sewing because the thread matches the color of the fabric. Okay, but I'm sure that with the way I explain and what I am doing, you already understood. If there's any part you don't understand or you are not clear of, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want to learn, if there's any other sewing tips or techniques you want me to show you, let me know in the comment section. Advantages of you starting the zipper from the hem of the top is that it will be easier for you to open and close the zipper. Even if there's no one around to help you with the zipper, you'll be able to open and close the zip easily. So when you want to close the zip, this is how you are going to do it. You just insert it to each other and zip it up. So guys, that is it about fixing the zipper to a blouse. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. If yes, kindly click on the like button, share this video so that you can see more of my videos in future, and also for other people to benefit from it. And do not forget to follow for more. Bye.